What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, kindly consider subscribing. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade pizza. I'll leave everything I used in the description box so you can always go and check and try it at home. So I had already set my warm water with instant yeast and just added flour. So that's what I'm doing. I'm mixing with a wooden spoon because it's too sticky. You'll need a spoon for that. You'll have to mix it, umix kabisa mpaka usikie ni kama imekuwa ngumu, inashikana iache kuwa sticky. So but not too hard, not too tough. You don't want a tough dough because remember you want it to stretch. At this point I'm using my hands because I'm already getting the consistency I want. You'll need that until ukisikia kama ukifeel sasa hiyo unga yako imekuwa poa, imeacha kuwa sticky sana kwa mkono. Now you know it's right. So unaiwacha, utaiweka kando, alafu funike na kitchen towel. You set it aside for 30 minutes. Then you'll need to fry your onions, add in your spices. In here I added coriander powder, curry powder, black pepper, soy sauce, and that's all the spices I used. You can always add more if you want, and a little bit of salt to taste, of course, obviously. Then I added my soy sauce. After that you are gonna add your minced meat. I used minced meat in this, but you can always use chicken breast, you can always use meat, you can always use whatever is suitable for you, but in this case I used minced meat because it was easier. Fantastic. After your meat is well cooked, you'll add in some barbecue sauce and cook it for around 3 to 5 minutes. If you need to add more soy sauce, you can do so, but that's optional. Let it cook for around 5 minutes and then it will be done. After your meat is cooked, you'll set it aside and then blend in your tomatoes. You will cut a small piece of onion, fry it, then add your blended tomatoes. Let it cook. Then you'll add in your tomato paste for you to get a thick paste, because that will be our paste. So you let it cook until it's thick enough. Now that your tomato paste is ready, it's time to assemble. You start by applying it on your rollout pizza dough, nice and evenly. Then you're gonna add in your cheese. Then you're gonna add in your minced meat. You spread it evenly. Just put enough, not too much. You don't want a soggy pizza. Then you're gonna add in your pepper. You can use green pepper, yellow, red, whatever vegetables you have. Then you're gonna top it off with more cheese. Then you toast it in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and that's it.